Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, hit my little tripod here. We're gonna discuss this flashlight scene before you. Normally I'm a battery kind of guy. I like to have a battery in my everyday carry flashlight, so I use them a lot at work. I'm a industrial millwright in the paper mill industry. Have been in the sawmill industry prior to that, but there's always stuff that you can shine your flashlight in, whether it's trim blowers or inside pieces of equipment or electrical panels, or you can use light all over the place. So I use flashlight a good bit, and for me, I also use them at home. Sometimes, depending on what time of year it is, we get home, it's dark, I gotta feed my goats, gotta feed my chickens, gotta go look for the dog, just whatever. I got stuff that I have to do, and that's where the modification comes in for it. But I use a flashlight a good bit, and I like to be able to, if I see it's getting low, I can go and swap the batteries out and I'm brand new again. This dude has started to change my ways a little bit, I think. And it's only a couple weeks into using it, but I was wrong about how I felt. That, like, how can I put it? I didn't want to worry about them going dead that much. Like, I didn't want to worry about having to charge it. And so far, I charged this thing when I first got it, which I want to say was probably 3 weeks ago, maybe. And I have carried it every day since and used it quite a bit. And that's where we're at. We've barely maybe used an eighth of the battery in it, so I'm impressed with that. The shape is totally new to me. Like, I've seen these square looking rascals, and to me, like, here's the flashlight that lives on my this has been my go-to style flashlight for a long time. I've had this guy since I worked at the sawmill. That's been 10 years ago. And I have one that's twice as long as that and has a little fatter bulb end, and you can quick double press the power button and it would strobe. I got that one somewhere, I'm not sure where, but I've had those for a long time, and I like that cylindrical style flashlight. So the whole rectangular dude has just been kind of strange. It's just bigger, I think is what the deal was. It's got a pocket clip, has a lock, so you lock on the side, and then you can pick. Come on, let's see. How did we do it again? So you got 1100 lumens, 15, 65, 200, 1100, and the big button is strobe. It's got a main strobe on it, and then you can choose a hard press turns it on. A soft press lets you pick, so you can turn it off, and then you can pick. And hard press, and you can choose that setting, and it gives you a time that it'll run with the current charge at that amount of lumens. And then you can soft press it while it's on, and you can change them. Hard press turns it off. Lock on the side. The little mod with the shock cord, since Kevin Estella shared that with us years ago, I have used the flashlight shit out of that thing. It's just handy, and if you have to do stuff in the dark, and it's convenient to not have to worry about dropping it. Yeah, headlamp's nice, but I don't carry a headlamp in my pocket all the time. So I really wanted this mod on this flashlight, and I didn't have heat shrink tubing big enough. I could order some, but I didn't have any readily available when I started doing this. But I did have several sizes of bicycle inner tube, and I just put a piece of bicycle inner tube on there, put my shock cord in there. It's worked fine, and I like it's kind of tacky too. It's got some like textured deals on the side for holding it, but that rubber is good. It's been pleasant to use. Really surprised. I'm just going to keep on using this thing as I would normally use my flashlight, and I will do a post on Instagram. That's where kind of real-time stuff can happen. I can say, hey, this happened today, this happened the day after on Instagram. Easier than shooting a video for YouTube every time. So make sure y'all check us out at Bushcraft Kelso over there, and you can see a lot of this. It is long form, but it's posts for, I called a mileage discussion. So we'll talk a lot about things over time. The EDC23 by Nightcore is what we were talking about. Guess I should have said that right from the beginning, huh? I'm sorry, I'm not a super fancy gear reviewer. Some people get mad at me about my gear reviews, but that's fine. I don't care what you guys get mad at. We're just going to do it how we do it. I'll tell you what I think, and if I can answer questions, I'll answer them for y'all, of course. But pretty cool. Like I said, it's changed the way that I looked at these lights anyway. I know this is the first one of this design that I've ever had, and being a rechargeable one at that. It's a good, I guess that's USB-C. Same type as the cell phone I'm recording on. But yeah, pretty cool. EDC23 by Nightcore. We will, what's that say? It's just the type of LED that's in it. I'll let you guys know when I need to charge it up. But until then, I appreciate the support. Check out bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Feel free to like and subscribe. It goes a long way. I appreciate it. Until next time, guys. Later.